Welcome to 15-minute yoga for strength. This short practice will strengthen your core, back and upper body. Let's begin on hands and knees in tabletop position. Place your hands underneath your shoulders, knees hip distance apart. With inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest and gaze for cow pose. Exhale, press through your hands, pull the navel in, rounding the back for cat. Inhale, drop the belly, arch the back, look up. Exhale, round, keep pulling the navel in towards the spine. One more time, inhale and exhale. Come back to a neutral position. Begin to make circles over your wrists. Just a few circles in one direction. And then change direction, warming up the wrists. Now flip your hands so that the fingers point back and palms face up. Sit back towards your heels until you feel the stretch on the top of your wrist. Stay in here for a few breaths to stretch the wrists. Now sit back to your heels, interlace fingers and make a few circles with your hands. Shake your hands out and place them back down on the mat. Spread your fingers wide. Tuck your toes under and lift your knees a few inches off the mat. The lower the knees stay, the harder it is usually, so find a sweet spot where you feel your muscles working, but you can still breathe. One more big breath here. And push your hips up and back for downward facing dog. Begin to bicycle your legs, bending and straightening the knees one by one, pushing the heel towards the ground, or do any other movement that feels good here. Come to stillness in your downward dog and roll forward into high plank. Shoulders above the wrists. Move your hands a bit more forward to adjust the length if needed. And let's flow here. Inhale in plank. Exhale, push your hips up for downward dog. Inhale, roll forward into plank. Exhale, back to downward dog. Keep moving with your breath. Roll into plank with inhale. Back to downward dog with exhale. One more time, roll forward into plank and lower your knees down to the mat. Lift your left leg and right arm parallel to the ground. Inhale here. Exhale, tap your elbow to your knee. Inhale, straighten arm and leg. Exhale, crunch. Keep moving with your breath. Lengthening with inhale. Crunching with exhale. Last time, straighten your leg and arm. Exhale, lower down. Same on the other side. Lift your right leg and left arm. Inhale here. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale. Exhale, 3 more. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, hand and knee down to the mat. Release your forearms down for dolphin plank or forearm plank. Walk your feet back and lift your knees off the mat. Hold your plank. Engage in the core, glutes, quads. One more time, breathe in. As you breathe out, lower down to your belly. Untuck your toes. Place your hands underneath your shoulders for a few cobra lifts. With inhale, lift your chest and head off the mat using the strength of your back muscles. Very little weight in your hands. Exhale, release down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, release. 3 more on your own. Think of engaging your glutes here as well. Last time, lift your chest. Exhale, release. Press yourself back into child's pose. Take a little break. Slowly make your way back to downward facing dog. And roll forward into high plank. Shift your weight into your right hand and lift your left arm for side plank. Your feet can stay both on the mat for easier variation, or stack your feet on top of each other for a bit more challenge. Inhale here. Exhale, drop your left forearm down, roll to your left side for side plank on your forearm. Lift your right arm up, hold. Keep lifting your hips up, squeezing your left obliques. Big inhale. Exhale, lower your right forearm down, roll to your right side. Reach your left arm up, hold here. Inhale. Exhale, left hand down to the mat, come up to side plank on your left. Last side plank here. One more inhale. Exhale, lower your right hand down and lay down on your stomach. Point your toes, reach your arms back, preparing for locust pose. And when you're ready, lift everything you can lift off the mat: your head, chest, arms and legs. Keep reaching back through your fingertips, lifting your chest higher. The back of the body is engaged. Look to the top of your mat, keeping the back of the neck long. Inhale, lift a little higher. Exhale, release. And make your way to child's pose to take one more break. Just a few big breaths in and out. And now make your way up to downward facing dog. With inhale, lift your right leg high. Exhale, shift forward into plank. Tap your knee to your right shoulder. Inhale, lift your leg. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to opposite elbow. One more round. Inhale, lift your leg high. Exhale, right elbow. Inhale. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale, lift your leg high. Exhale, left elbow. Inhale, raise your leg as high as you can. Exhale, bring your leg forward for pigeon. Knee behind your wrist or a little wider. Untuck your toes and lower down to your forearms. Or relax your forehead down. A few breaths in pigeon before we do the other side. Slowly come up to your hands, step back to downward dog. Inhale, lift your left leg. Exhale, tap your left elbow. Inhale, leg high. Exhale, knee to center. Inhale. Exhale, tap the opposite elbow. One more round. Inhale. Exhale, tap your left elbow. Inhale. Exhale, center. Inhale. Exhale, right elbow. Inhale, lift your leg as high as you can. Exhale, pigeon pose. Find comfortable position for your left leg. And lower down to your forearms. Breathe here as we begin to slow down and cool down. Slowly come up, back to downward facing dog. And lower your knees down for child's pose. Big toes together, knees together or a little wider. Release your forehead down. Arms can be stretched in front of you, or try placing your arms alongside the body with palms facing up. This should feel good on your shoulders if they feel tired. Release your breath, breathe naturally, in and out through the nose. Taking a moment here to relax your body. Thank your body for all the work that it did on the mat today. And thank yourself for taking this time and effort to become stronger. Take one more big breath in, slow breath out, and slowly come up to seated. Give this video a thumbs up or let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this practice. See you in the next video. Bye!